Hello everybody, Grant here. Today I'm going to be showing you my Lego pop-up book. As you can see, it's strikingly similar to a normal book. However, it's not similar at all on the inside. As you can see, this is sort of a desert castle scene. There's some pretty fun details in there. Even details on the back. Had a lot of fun with this, considering I had to consolidate everything into 3 bricks wide in order for it to fit inside the book. See the function again. It's powered by some rubber bands here. Forces the castle to pop out every time you open the book. One other thing you can do with this is you are able to exchange your castle for a different theme. So I have another space thing here. And switch themes here. Get rid of those crates. Little rover. Get rid of our adventurer. Have a little purple alien with one eye. Get rid of the normal grass. Get some space weeds. And in the back, you can also exchange some stuff. Get rid of the crate and the armor stand. And we can go to a little test tube and a computer. This one also can fold up. I think that just about wraps it up. Thanks for watching.